Introduction. Welcome to our video on how to make $4,000 a month writing online. In this video, we'll be sharing proven strategies and tips that you can use to increase your earning potential as a freelance writer. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to take your income to the next level, this video is for you. Strategy 1. Building a strong portfolio. The first step to making $4,000 a month writing online is to build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio should showcase your best work and highlight your skills and expertise. This will help you attract more clients and higher paying projects. To build a strong portfolio, you can start by creating a website that showcases your work. You can also use platforms like LinkedIn and Continua to build your portfolio and showcase your work to potential clients. Strategy 2. Networking. Networking is another key strategy for making $4,000 a month writing online. It's important to connect with other writers and industry professionals to learn about new opportunities and to find new clients. You can network by attending industry events, joining writing groups or communities, and reaching out to other writers for collaborations or guest posts. Strategy 3. Specializing. Specializing in a specific niche or industry can also help you make more money as a freelance writer. By focusing on a specific area of expertise, you'll be able to command higher rates and attract more clients. For example, if you specialize in writing about finance, you'll be able to attract clients in the finance industry who are looking for high-quality content. Strategy 4. Upselling. Another strategy for making more money as a freelance writer is to upsell your services. For example, you can offer additional services such as editing, proofreading, and research to your clients. By offering these additional services, you'll be able to increase your earning potential and make more money as a freelance writer. Conclusion. In conclusion, making $4,000 a month writing online is possible with the right strategies and a bit of hard work. By building a strong portfolio, networking, specializing, and upselling your services, you'll be able to increase your earning potential and make more money as a freelance writer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money online.